Hi all, so today's videos we will discuss about how to migrate data from Google Drive to BigQuery. Okay, it is equally important to understand because Google Drive is one of the applications that comes under Google, and in the previous session we have discussed about data migration from your cloud storage to the BigQuery. Okay, so let me for this today you have to go to the BigQuery. The three things you have to do it, very important. You need a Google Drive, so you can see on my screen I have a Google Drive. Okay, in this Google Drive we have something, you have to create a one sheet. Okay, so this sheet we'll put some data, and in that data we will migrate into the BigQuery. So let me go through. So this is the BigQuery we have done before. You have to create a data set. I'm not going to create the data set. I'm going to create directly the table. So already my data set is available. So under this Prwatech DB, I'm going to create a one table, and you see that the table is available. Now the same process we have, nothing more changes like we have done before. Only the thing is that the source part from where the data is coming, it should be Google Drive. Okay, and let me browse. So you have this, so you want to get the data this time from the Google Drive. Okay, now it will ask you, you see that Google Drive URI. So in this, what you have to do, nothing, like this URL you have to copy. Okay, and you just need to paste, that's it. Okay, in this drive the data will come into this. Okay, but what data? It should not be the blank file, right? It should be a data. All right, so you can see in my, I have opened the two sheets, so already have some data. So what you have to do it, you have to define the schema. All right, I believe you understand the schema, column and data type, and you have to pass some record. So I'm doing the same. I have something message. So this is the column message, language and translation. In this I'm going to put it, I'm doing good, message, I'm doing good. And what I'm trying to do, I will use the Google Translator. So you are open to put any data. This is it's completely user defined. Okay, so language Hindi, I've written hi, and in translation I want to convert this into Hindi. Okay, so I'm using a Google Translator. Okay, you can see, right, a Google Translator. So I'm just copying here. You can use this also. Okay, and then I'll just put it this. Okay, right. All right, so you see that the code, it's showing that Google Translate, and it's a B1. Okay, message B1, the column row apart. ES means it's in Hindi, you want to make it, and this is what the language B2 I'm putting there. Okay, and then you see that Google automatically converting this. All right, my this sentence get into Hindi. Okay, let me delete this, that's not needed. Okay, so this is what my data set I have prepared. You can put some other data set also. So now I will copy this URL and I want to import this data in my BigQuery table. Okay, so here you write select star from your database name. So what is my database name? It's Prwatech DB, and what is your table name? I have written there, and just have a quick run. Okay, and here your result is coming. You can see that a complete structured data what you have in your drive, right? It's just coming in your table. A simple data set I have used to get the import data from your Google Drive to your BigQuery. Hope you learned well. Thank you. Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.